Hi, here's another video. I've got this Beko washing machine to have a look at today, reported as noisy. Let me just put it in a quick spin and press start. And as you can hear, there's something rattling around. More than likely, it sounds like it's the bottom of this pump, the drain pump at the bottom here. You can see the drum turning. And just stop that, switch it off. So what I'm going to have to do is pull the machine out of its housing, and I'm going to open the drain filter at the bottom, and there will be a bit of water in there because I know the drum's empty, and I'm going to drain the water off. You can just use a towel or flat tray if you've got one, but I'm going to use this skateboard. Not advisable. I'm just doing it for demonstration purposes so I can give you a better look. Sometimes I do silly stuff like this. And yeah, I've managed to prop it on this skateboard and lean it back. Hopefully it shouldn't move. Okay, so what I've got to do now, let me just place this tray underneath the drain plug filter and open it up. You will get a lot of water come out of here if the tub's full, but I know this isn't if the drum's full. Let me just undo it, and there should be possibly coins inside here, inside the filter. That's the filter there. It's fairly clean. I can't see anything stuck in it. Let me show you again. If you have a look inside here, that's the impeller which spins and pumps water out. I can't see anything inside there. And the filter looks fairly clean. I can't see anything inside here either. No coins or hairpins. So what I'm going to do is turn the machine back on. Quick spin. Press start. And it won't start unless I close the door. So let me just press start again. And the impeller should spin. And straight away, you saw there, this bolt was stuck inside. Let me give you slow motion. Here you can see that's culprit. That bolt was stuck inside the pump. It must have been inside someone's pocket. You can see the impeller spinning there. So let me just stop that. And switch the machine off. Give you a close look. That was the sub bolt that was causing all the noise. It was being flipped around by the impeller from the pump. Through there. I've got it out in the way. The filter's fairly clean, but I'm going to run it under the tap. Okay, I've got that fairly clean, so I'm going to pop the drain pump filter back in. Have a look inside. I can't see anything else in there, so let me just reinsert the filter and screw it back in. Like so. Close this panel. What I've got to do now is get the machine back down once I've emptied this tray. You can see me struggling with it. Like I said, this is not advisable. I've only done it so I can show you exactly what's going on inside the pump. And I'll just pop the machine back in its position. Okay, everything's all put together now. Let me just give it another try. Switch the machine on. And I'll put it on a quick spin and press start again. And as you can hear, nice and quiet. I'll just let it run for a bit. I'll fast forward through some of this. And you see the machine spinning up nicely and there's no noise. Okay, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.